thunderstorm warning for Cook County in north central Texas, Mason County in north central Texas, until 9:15 a.m. At 8:09 a.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail. This storm was located 7 miles south of Gainesville, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Collinsville, Callisburg, Gainesville, Whitesboro, Gunter, Dorchester, Powell, Sherman, Bullwood, Pottsboro, Eisenhower State Park, and Denison. For your protection, move to a sturdy shelter until the storm has